Dear students, welcome to the grammar lesson, degrees of comparison and interchange of degrees. Degrees of comparison. Actually, this comes under adjectives. Adjectives describe the quality of nouns or pronouns. And this adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun, a person or thing, to another. It is called the degree of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. The first one, the basic form of adjective, that is referred to as positive degree. See the example, she has a big house. When we compare the quality of two persons or things, it is said to be comparative degree. And the example is, her house is bigger than mine. When the adjective is used to compare more than two persons or things, it is said to be the superlative degree. His house is the biggest of all. So big, bigger, and the biggest. Transformation or interchange of degrees. Changing the adjectives from one form to another is called transformation or interchange of degrees. While changing from one degree to another, the meaning should not change. Before changing, you have to identify in which degree the adjective is in. For example, positive degree has that form as dash as. For example, as fat as, or if the adjective is more than one syllable, if the sentence is in negative, you can use not so, you can use, and the example is not so fat as. Comparative form is er form of the adjective and than is used after the adjective. For example, fatter than, or if the adjective is more than two syllables like intelligent, more is used before and than is used after. So more intelligent than. And the superlative degree, before the adjective, we use the definite article the and est form. So the fattest or the most intelligent. So for comparative degree, more is used, but superlative degree, the most is used. In most of the cases, the positive degree begins with a negative word. For example, no other boy in the class is as tall as he is. So this is positive degree, but it is starting with the word no, the negative word. Comparative and superlative degree, the beginning is the same. Here see the comparative form, he is taller than any other boy in the class, and superlative is he is the tallest boy in the class. But both the sentences, comparative and superlative forms, it is starting with he is. Both the sentences starting with he is, so beginning is the same. When one of the comes in the superlative degree, most or many other is used for comparative and very few is used for positive degree. See the superlative form, he is one of the tallest boys in the class. There are few boys in the class who are very tall, and those boys are, and he is one of the tallest boys. And comparative form is he is taller than most or many other boys in the class. Positive form is very few boys in the class are as tall as he is. So once again, one of the comes, many or most other comes in comparative form, and very few comes in the positive form. When comparison is made only between two things or persons, then we cannot make the superlative. Means interchange is possible only with positive and comparative. Here only two persons are compared, Jack and John. See the positive form, Jack is as strong as John and John is not stronger than Jack. We'll see some steps how to change. Here Jack is as strong as John. You have to bring the last person. Here John is the last person. Bring the last person to the front, beginning. So John comes in the beginning. Second step is, if the sentence is affirmative, make it negative. Jack is as strong as John is positive. So we have to make a negative sentence, so not is added. Third is change the degree, strong became stronger, than is used, and then the first person is brought to the last. So Jack is brought to the last. So John is not stronger than Jack. Let's see the three types of sentences or three types of degrees one by one. Type 1 is only two things or two persons are compared. See the examples. He walks as fast as she. So she does not walk faster than he. Second, money is as important as education. So education is not more important than money. Here important, we cannot make the ER form, so more important is used. Madhvi is not richer than her sister. Her sister is as rich as Madhvi. Lakshman speaks faster than a parrot. A parrot doesn't speak as fast as Lakshman. Wise enemy is better than a foolish friend. A foolish friend is not as good as wise enemy. Here better and good. Irregular degrees. This you must have studied in the lower classes. Some words form their degrees in an irregular way, and this is one example: good, better, and best. Ginger is not as spicy as the chilies. The chilies are spicier than ginger. Once again, when two things are, or two persons or two factors are compared, only comparative and positive degree is made, no superlative form. Now type 2 sentence. The largest. So elephant is the only animal which is the largest on the land. Okay, only one animal that is the largest animal on the land. So when we are comparing it with other comparative form, the elephant is larger than any other. The largest come, when the largest comes, any other should be used in the comparative form and no other is used in the positive form. So elephant is the largest land animal. Elephant is larger than any other land animal and no other land animal is as large as the elephant. Mrs. Khan makes the best biryani in the whole city. Mrs. Khan makes better biryani than anyone else. See the first example, any other land animal we did. Here anyone else because it's a person. Whole city, and no other person in the whole city makes biryani as good as Mrs. Khan. So once again, any other comes in the comparative form and no other comes in the positive form. See the next example. This is the most precious moment of my life. This is more precious than any other moment of my life, and no other moment of life is as precious as this one. Now type 3. Here one of the comes. The stars on the clear dark sky night are one of the brightest things. There are few brightest things and stars are one among that. So the stars on a clear dark night are one of the brightest things. Stars on a clear dark night are brighter than many other things. Very few things are brighter and stars are one among that. So it is many other. It is brighter than many other things. And very few things on a clear dark night are as bright as the stars. Hope you understood the difference. Second type and third type. Second type is the largest, but here one of the brightest. Shivaji is one of the greatest kings of India, and Shivaji is greater than many or most other kings of India, and very few kings of India are as great as Shivaji. So once again, keep it in mind. Comparative form, many or most other, and positive, very few comes. Very few players are as good as Dhoni. Second, Dhoni is better than many other players. And positive form is, sorry, superlative form is Dhoni is one of the best players. We'll see some exercise. Change the degree. You have to see the sentence whether two things are compared or more than two things are compared. Only two things are compared, then you can make only positive and comparative. More than two things means you can form the other two forms also. Delhi is bigger than many other cities in India. So more than two things, and you can form the other two forms. Here bigger is comparative form. You can make the positive and superlative. Shruti is not so wise as Isha. Only two persons are compared. So you can make only the comparative form. No other state in India is as literate as Kerala. So here more than two. So you can, positive is given, you can make comparative and superlative. Gandhiji was one of the greatest Indian leaders. Again, more than two things. Superlative is given, you have to make comparative and positive. Sonia is more beautiful than many other girls. Here also, more beautiful comparative form is given, and it is more than two persons. So you can form the positive and superlative. Hope you understood the lesson. Thank you.